Today's video is all about natural, magical and miracle homemade drink for your skin whitening. Yes, this is for skin whitening, not for the health. This is for skin whitening without using any creams, lotions which are available at market. This is a natural process. By drinking this magical drink, you will get even skin tone and healthy skin. For this magical skin whitening drink, now I'm going to use this jaggery. After taking this mixture, just add this into 1 glass of raw milk and mix well. This is a boiled milk. In this boiled milk we have added jaggery and mix well. After mixing well, take this ilachi in 2 numbers and like this. Crush the ilachi and add it to this mixture. And again mix well. This is 100% natural and effective drink. Also give you the radiant, spotless, clear, bright skin in just 1 week if you use this regularly. And it also helps to improve bones and teeth, also boost the muscular health without any exercise. Also it maintains the healthy weight, reduces the stress due to its antioxidants property. It gives you good skin. Also it improves the digestion from inside and helps to give a solution for your menstrual problems. This is 100% natural and effective magical drink and will give you radiant and spotless, clear, bright skin in just 1 week if you take it regularly in a daily basis. It helps to improve strength of bones and teeth. It boosts muscular health without any exercise. Also it helps to maintain the healthy weight, reduces the stress. Milk is anti-stress agent, so that this drink reduces the stress. It helps to give good skin from inside. It improves digestion, and if you have any problems regarding this menstrual cycle, it helps to get rid of all those pains and problems. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel NewLook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.